shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild.
Guys, here's a new, I think, limited time table. We have the happy hole. I thought it's gonna be only the win streak, but it's also a new, and for this, I'm gonna use the Conqueror queue, okay? I don't know. I think we have, okay, I'm gonna go to a 10 million match straight up. So my opponent over here on the table, actually, maybe he's one of our subscribers, and he asked me to play in direct, and he's actually playing in direct as well, in return, so... I don't know why I got a feeling that he will play in direct, so I did start playing, and let's go for a brown ball, which does go in. Okay, my cue ball was about to go inside the bottom right pocket, but it did not, sorry, go inside. Okay, maybe I've made a mistake by calling this pocket. No, the black goes inside. Oh, so close! Again, so close! Why am I being so close? Finally! Finally! I want to play one game normally as well on this table. Actually, I'm lucky that my opponent potted the cue ball. And now I'm unlucky. Wow, man, no! Oh, I thought I have to go for the red ball. But I had to go for the blue, which I can do, I guess. With a very nice stun shot over here. Now let's go for the red in the top right pocket. There goes our red ball. And looks like I'm going to end below the purple, very close to the rail. Yes, almost. Okay, let's go for the purple in the bottom left pocket. But please don't put the cue ball. Alright, so looks like no, black is not going to go inside. I end up again. Oh my god, this time my cue ball is at a much... higher risk, but I will still do it. What? Man, this time I want to win. We won the first game, I know, but I'm kind of angry with how I messed up the green ball. See, I was focusing more on my cue ball's positioning, and I messed up my main target, which was the green ball, Let's go for the blue like that. Again, let's go for the red in the top right pocket. And go for the shot like that. Okay. I'm gonna... Let's go for the orange ball. Just like that. Now I'm gonna call the bottom middle pocket. And on this shot, looks like we need to add some top right spin. There goes the green ball, but barely. And now it's time for the brown and the 9 ball. I see, if I'm seeing this table for the first time, I'm not sure, but I think they should have designed this table better, man. I thought the table was gonna look very nice, the holiday season and all, but the table is not very nice looking, actually. I don't know. Yeah, maybe because this is a basic table, I'm trying to say this is not a fixed bet table, so you can choose 100 coins or 10 million, so they were like, let's not over-design it. Okay, the 9-wall pool table quest is over. I am here on the Bangkok table. Guys, in the next video, I hope everyone is ready for the series, in which we will hit 250 million coins. I think I've set the coin target. 200 is way too low because I'm already at 150 million on that account. Okay, now I'm realizing. But wait, I should not panic right now, because I think there might be a way to pot the brown ball. Or there is not. Okay, I messed up my orange as well partially. I think, wait, I can go for... Oh yes, I can go for the brown, but is this enough? Alright, so I can do one thing, guys. Black also is going in basically 2 pockets only. Let's go for the red. And you know what I'm gonna do now, or I can go for this, man. I think yes. Because with this, making position for the black is easier. And I think yes. Yes! We can win this game. A nice denial after some indirect gameplay on the 9-wall pool table. Let's go for the black and seal our clean win, I'm gonna say this was, as compared to our previous indirects. Man, you're listening me here, say this complaint for such a long time now, that I'm getting, such a long time, by 2 weeks. On tables where I have to put the black ball indirectly, I'm getting very bad breaks. Obviously, that's the Berlin table. And now still my black ball, and I'm unable to free my black no matter what happens these days. Let's go for the blue. Alright, so I end up on top. Oh wait, now I can do something. I can go for the red, add backspin like this, and mess up the black. Okay, I did not mess it up because I can't put the black now. So I think this game is going to be ours. Let's go for the brown ball like this now. Conquer. Oh, maxed out spin, that's why. There goes our orange ball, and cue ball moves upwards, and it's time to go for the black. Now I don't know what's gonna happen, but it does go inside. Very fast aiming as well. Okay. Was obviously not expecting to start it like that, but I will not choose that, and I will go for the brown ball, and I will touch the brown stripe and just completely block my pocket for the yellow ball. I'm gonna add backspin on this shot. Maybe this is gonna happen, maybe not, so don't be shocked. Okay, that goes inside very smoothly. If I can go for the blue, I can. And yes, I am happy because I need to hit the green ball with very less force, and I think I will be able to put the black. Yes, I was right. I can call the bottom left pocket and go for the black. Let's go for this. Not gonna think a lot before the shot, and there goes our black ball. Very smooth and very fast game it was. Oh! Black is like, if someone touches the black, it's gonna go inside that pocket. Oh, no. Oh, I was trying to free up my purple. I cannot win this game if I don't do something for the purple ball. Should have used more top spin on this shot. If I'm gonna add top spin, no, I think the angle is, let's see, let's find out. Oh, it was enough. So now I think I got a plan, guys. Let's go for the purple ball like this. Was the force? Yeah, because see, the yellow is also going in the bottom right pocket, and I think I will do that only. Might be a bit risky, but let's stop. Wow, perfect. Not the perfect position, but I think stuff can happen from this position. Let's go for the yellow. Oh, no. Oh. Can I put the black ball? Even if I can directly, which I think I can. Yeah, I can, but let's go for it this way in 3, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Finishing with some style. Will this Berlin game work if I just go for stripes? Oh my god, I put it 2 balls in 1 shot, but this is not exactly what I was wanting to happen. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, again. Why am I putting 2 balls in every shot? Let's go for the blue. Okay, now this is obviously a very bad position to be in, man, but what can I do? Nice shot, and I can't put the yellow ball. How is this possible? Like, man, mini clip once again, you forgot? It's me playing the game. Why are you letting me be lucky? And looks like I can go for the black ball. This is going to be a very nice game. And what a nice chat pack. First try. Let's add some right spin. Oh. We have just won this game, which I thought, when I had only the last 2 balls remaining, I thought I would lose it. But the double bank shot and then this, my brother did not put anything on the break. And I know how it feels, bro. Alright, I'm going to disturb my red ball, I think, which has happened for the better. I can go for the brown right now. But man, who cares about that? Let's go for the red. There goes our red ball. Looks like my brown is going to be disturbed, but no. Oh, nice. I did not want the brown to be disturbed. I mean, obviously, this is the Cairo table, so I'm just not going to take this that seriously. There goes our purple ball, and I actually completely disturbed the... Okay, black is in a bad position, but I can win this game. Despite the fact that black is in a bad position, and now you guys must be understanding what I'm talking about right now. Slight mistake over here, because the angle for the green. Wait, but if I'm going to add backspin... Oh, no, not this much, man. Like, what am I doing today? This is going to be much... Yes, it does go inside. And now I can go for the brown ball and just add backspin so that my cue ball stays over here. And then call the same pocket. And nothing matters if I miss this shot. I mean, all of that will be in vain, but it's not gonna be in vain because we have successfully executed it again. What an open break, guys. What an open break this is. I mean, just look at this table. This is... Oh my god, you're imagining, right? If I potted the cue ball, how angry I would have been. Let's go for the green ball in this pocket. Adding some top spin. There goes our don't pot the... Oh, why am I being close to potting the cue ball like every single time? Wait, guys, the yellow ball is in a problematic position. Let's go for the blue. There goes our blue ball. Now I think I can go for the yellow in this pocket, and I will be in a natural angle to pot the... Yes, nice. I'm really happy how this game just went. By the way, I'm not playing against a small level player. This guy's level 469. And as simple, I mean, just simply I can go for the brown as well. And on this shot, maybe let's add some left to spin. Don't pot the cue ball though. Alright, exactly where I wanted to end. I'm gonna call the bottom middle pocket. Judging the aim might be just barely difficult for this shot, don't know why. Yeah, but I matched it with the force. Nice game. I desperately want to go for stripes. And I do! You know, I'm bad in these types of shots, but this time I make it. Okay, I can go, and I'm gonna remove... Yes, this orange ball, because this was blocking my purple. And also, wait, the yellow ball is also in a problematic position, and for that, I think this might work out, but I'm not sure. Yes, something definitely did happen. So I have 4 balls on the table, and it depends on what order I'm gonna pot. I think maybe I stayed in this game. Obviously, that was a very bad fail, but I stayed because I thought, don't know why, my 6th sense, or the 7th sense, whatever you want to call it, sometimes tells me that no, don't leave the game, you might get your chance. And I in fact do get it, so the same thing happened today. Risking this shot. There goes my purple ball. I can go for the brown, but obviously the risk is now that gotta make position for the black in a more difficult manner. Wait, let's add a little right spin on this shot. No, messed up. I always mess up when it comes to things like these. I mean, shots like these. But the thing is, this is still going inside, obviously. But I was thinking to end up in a different place. That's my point over here. So we won the game. I messed up a straight shot. Ending the video in 3, 2, 1.